warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this meeting, let's we say about the listening part B question in the TOEFL listening test. The part B of listening comprehension section TOEFL test consists of 2 long conversation. Jadi ini terdiri dari 2 percakapan panjang. Setiap percakapan itu follow by number of question, diikuti dari beberapa pertanyaan. You will hear conversation and question on recording. Kalian akan mendengarkan percakapan dan jawaban on recording. Pertanyaan dan recording. They are not written on your test. Yang mana percakapan itu tidak tertulis di lembar tes booknya. You must choose the best answer from the choice in the written. Conversation often about the something aspect of school. Percakapannya itu sering tentang aspek-aspek di sekolah. How difficult class, bagaimana kesusahan di sekolah. How to write research paper, bagaimana cara menulis penelitian. Dan how to register course, bagaimana cara mendaftar di kursus sekolah. Or about general link, renting apartemen, playing sport, going to the bank. Conversation can also about the topic currently in use in the United States. Pertanyaan conversation juga berbicara tentang topik yang terjadi di Amerika Serikat. Contohnya seperti ini ya. Ini conversation-nya diikuti dari 4 pertanyaan. Nah, seperti itu ya. Tapi untuk menyikapinya ini, jadi ini didengarkan dulu, kalian mendengarkan dan baru muncul pertanyaan. Kemudian untuk strateginya listening part B ini, yang pertama, jika kamu mempunyai banyak waktu, review, lihat kembali jawaban pada listening part B. While you looking the answer, ketika kamu mencari jawaban, you should try to anticipate question of each group answer. Jadi mengantisipasi jawabannya. Yang kedua, listening dengan hati, dengarkan dengan hati pada first line conversation. First line conversation contain of main idea subject ya. Jadi yang di bagian pertama, conversation pertama, you will often be asked about the answer such as question. Ketiga, as you listen conversation, sambil mendengarkan pertanyaan, follow with the answer in your test book and try to determine correct answer. Jadi ketika mendengarkan itu sambil melihat pilihan jawaban di paper Anda. Ketika Anda mendengarkan, ini disebutkan, maka dicentang, kasih tanda aja di lembar kerjanya. Detailed question generally answer in the conversation. Pertanyaan secara utuhnya, in order conversation and answer should be same what side the recording. Jadi gitu ya. You should guess even the should never leave the blank. Jangan meninggalkan kosong. You remember time. Jadi melihat waktunya. Nah, intinya ketika listeningnya itu, kasetnya itu didengerin, itu kalian harus sambil ngecek ini. Nah, seperti ini. Nah, ini ada kan. Kemudian to. Nah, di sini to. Disebutkan lagi di sini about the sofa. Over the sofa. Nah, gitu ya. Kemudian hammer nail. Nah, seperti itu contohnya. Jadi untuk sekedar review, misalkan nanti di section ini kalian akan 1, 2, 3, 4. Satu conversation itu ada 4. Jadi sambil mendengarkan itu mencari mana yang disebutkan. Nah, dari keempat jawaban ini mana yang disebut, kasih clue, tanda di jawaban kalian. Kemudian ini sama. Terus sampai habis, sudah ada tanda, baru dipastikan ketika pertanyaannya apa gitu ya. Seperti itu. Jadi kuncinya yaitu sambil mendengarkan, mencocokkan pada tiap-tiap nomornya ini. Apakah ini disebutkan? Apakah ini disebutkan di conversation? Kalau iya, kasih tanda saja. Dan kemudian kadang ada yang disebutkan tetapi ya maksudnya ini semuanya ada di dalam conversation. Ada satu di antara tiga ini yang nggak disebutkan dalam conversation. Nah, ini akan menjadi sebuah jawabannya, kemungkinan gitu ya. Jadi actually, except, nah, kecuali, nah, gitu. Nah, jadi seperti itu ya caranya untuk di part B. Oke, selamat mencoba ke exercise 9.
Listen to each complete conversation and answer the questions that follow. Questions 1 through 4. Listen as two students discuss what a professor said in a recent class.
Did you understand the assignment the professor gave us today? I'm not sure that I did.
He said to read chapter 6, didn't he?
Yes, he said to read chapter 6. Then I think he also said something about answering the questions at the end of the chapter.
He said to answer the questions too? I didn't hear that part of the assignment.
I think he did, but I'm not sure. Maybe we should go ask one of the other students what the assignment is, just to be safe.
I think we should. Number 1. What are the man and woman discussing? Number 2. How much are they supposed to read? Number 3. What part of the assignment is unclear? Number 4. What will they probably do next? Listen as two people describe something that happened to a friend.
Did you hear what happened to Greg?
I heard he got stung by a bee.
Well, he did get stung, but it wasn't by a bee. It was a hornet that stung him while he was out walking in the park.
If it was a hornet, then Greg probably came very close to the hornet's nest. I understand that hornets usually only attack if they're trying to protect the nest where the eggs are waiting to hatch.
So hornets are only dangerous if you come close to their nests?
Yes, so Greg probably came close to a hornet's nest while he was out on his walk in the park.
Then we should find out where Greg was walking and not go walking there.
Number 5. What happened to Greg? Number 6. Why do hornets attack? Number 7. What did Greg probably come close to? Number 8. What is the woman's advice? Questions 9 through 12. Listen to two students on a university campus.
can you tell me about the university shuttle bus system? This is such a large campus, and I have classes all over campus. I need to take the shuttle bus from one class to another, or I'll never make it on time.
What do you need to know? I think it's a really great system.
First of all, where does it go?
The university shuttle bus system goes all over campus. It doesn't leave the campus. If you want to travel off campus, you'll need to take the city bus system. But the university shuttle bus system will get you from one class to the next very efficiently.
And how much does it cost?
It's free. Can you believe it? So you don't have to pay a cent to get all around the university campus.
That's really great. And how do I catch the shuttle bus?
Just look for one of the bright yellow shuttle bus signs and go stand next to it. You can see the yellow shuttle bus signs all over campus. A shuttle bus will come along approximately every 5 minutes, so you shouldn't have to wait long.
That all sounds good. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Number 9. What are the man and woman discussing? Number 10. What area does the university shuttle bus cover? Number 11. How much does the shuttle bus cost? Number 12. What color are the shuttle bus signs?